Good morning. This is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. Today is Wednesday, October 14th. Bank earnings came out. You can see the market is pretty flat. Most banks are not doing so well. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with Bank of America. I have a cover call, and I'm going to do something a little bit strange, but I'm going to walk you through this. So here is my account. Let's go to Bank of America. You see this cover call. There's almost zero chance of this thing going to strike price of 26.50, and you can see that there's no value here. So what I'm going to do is I captured 90% of the profit. So normally you can close it for $2 or you can roll it. And if you leave it the same price, you see you're not going to get much. You have to sort of roll down into like the $25 range to get your $13 or $14. So what I'm going to do is a little bit different. I'm going to roll it to this week. So it will cost me hopefully $1 to close, and I want to capture, I'm still $1 away, and what I would like to do is capture another premium again for the same expiration by rolling it to the same week. And just to let you know, let's check what the odds are. It should be already updated. Hit Bank of America. This is Power ETrade. Make sure the calendar is on the right calendar date. You see there is zero chance, literally zero chance, right? You have a better chance of slipping on the sidewalk as you're walking out to the car today. But on a serious note, $25, 13 chance, 2 days of expiration. Is it worth it? Well, if I already won, like I said, if you roll to next week, right, you're not going to collect a lot of premium. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll it for this week. So that's what I'm going to do. So let's switch back, and I'm going to show you how this is done. We already checked the odds. It says I can get 3 more cents on a net credit. So let's try it. And while we're doing that, I collect a whopping $1.97 profit minus the commissions. And while we're doing that, let's see if we can put on another trade. Let's see, can we fix edit toss? Well, this thing is rolling up. It's going to expire. It's in the money. Let's see what we can do here. This is not looking too good. You can see that. Let's see if we can roll it up a little bit further out. There must be an earnings call if I did something like that. Let's check real quick. So in this case, I have a cover call. Edit test is very volatile, goes up and down. November 5th, you can see that. This is the 13th. Even if I did something like that, I would have to just move the strike price up a little bit more. Let's just see what 2 weeks will give me. Okay, I may do something like this. We'll slow roll it, try to capture a little bit of credit as we move the strike price up. I will always be in the money probably for the next month or so if this continues to go up. And we'll take a quick look at what the charts look like. If this continues to go up, there's very little we can do to catch up, right? As in, you see this? There's a big move. There's a big move. And so sometimes it's hard to catch up even if we're rolling out and forward. And you see this, the trend has been up. It took a little breather. It went back down. That's when I caught up. And then now it's off onto this again, right? So it may look something like this again. And so what we're trying to do is make a net credit each time while we're rolling up and out. Sort of the same thing I did in my previous video with electronic arts. And over time, you will make money. Sometimes it looks strange because you're collecting $5. Sometimes it looks great because you're collecting $10 or $15 or $20. So that is in. Let's just wait for the trade to go. And I just noticed the Bank of America just went across. You'll see that appear at the bell here. Okay, well, you'll see it. Well, it's lagging. A lot of trading activity. So let's just see what else we can do. We've been waiting for a while for this to get executed. Not sure I'm going to get this price even if I change it. I may have to change the dates. But what I want to show you is, while we were waiting, we did get Bank of America did row. I created a new cover call on CF, and I have a new cover call on EA. And here you go. There is an earnings for EA maybe 2 or 3 days after that. But we're going to try to generate some more income with other stuff that we have. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe. And in the future, we'll bring you some more videos of trades that I'm doing. And I am working on a educational series that covers various topics. I will cover dividend investing. I will cover stock market. I will cover options investing, which is obviously what I've been doing a lot. And I'm going to talk about other stuff, maybe even velocity banking, infinite banking, and how a lot of these strategies you can overlay it on top of each other, like with real estate or whatever, right? So it's just a concept of how to win with money. So anyway, hope you enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.